here's a little more detailed example of how to find a missing hypotenuse, and it's also how to apply Pythagorean theorem to solve additional problems. Ultimately, review prior learning that you should understand from previous geometry stuff. I'm going to hide myself so you see the whole picture here. So to find a hypotenuse, we're going to substitute, evaluate, and solve Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Quite clearly on the picture over there, you could quickly count, hey, on this parallelogram, 8's the number up top. We don't know this distance here or this diagonal length, c. We can quickly count, though, that it's 8 units along that side, 6 along that side. So our a, we could call 8 or 6, either one. I'm going to call 6 my a. I'm going to substitute it in. B is going to be 8, and I don't know that diagonal distance, that C. I do know that it's bigger than 8, though, because if I swing this distance of 8 up or down, it's very clearly smaller than what that diagonal distance is. So 6 squared is 36. 8 squared, or 8 times 8, is 64. 36 and 64, if you need a calculator, grab it. It adds up to 100. So we know 100 equals C squared. And the whole learning target comes down to, we learned all about square roots in the previous lessons in this chapter. So that way we could undo squares. So I want to do the square root of 100. And I'm asking myself what times itself is going to give it 100. 10 times 10 is my answer. So my distance there is 10, which takes me to the next slide. So after I've done Pythagorean theorem, if I'm asked to find the perimeter of this parallelogram, I clearly have 2 10s, those diagonal distances, and 2 8s. It's a matter of adding those up, either 10 plus 10, which is 20, and 8 plus 8, that's 16. 20 and 16 adds up to 36. Or you can throw it, if you've got perimeter formula memorized or you looked it up real quick, you got 2 10s. 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 8 is 16. Add the 20 and 16, you get 36 units. And to prove that I really know what's going on, there's the problem in Khan Academy, and I'm correct. So hope this helps out. Please give this kind of a try so you keep on preparing for the upcoming quiz.